Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're studying the ABMA Level 5 Diploma in Human Resource Management and getting ready for those exams, this is exactly where you need to be. Our today's question comes from Employee Engagement. Question on your screen suggests 3 ways to improve the voice of employees in a large hospital. 14 marks. Employee voice means workers can share their ideas and concerns with management. In a large hospital, giving employees a voice increases engagement and improves work. Here are 3 ways to improve employee voice, with examples to show their impact. To begin with, create staff suggestion programs. These programs let employees share ideas through suggestion boxes or online platforms. For example, a hospital like Mayo Clinic might use a digital suggestion system where nurses suggest better patient care methods, making them feel heard and improving processes. Furthermore, hold regular town hall meetings. These meetings allow employees to discuss concerns with leaders. For instance, a hospital could hold monthly meetings where doctors and staff talk about workload issues, leading to better schedules and higher engagement. Finally, form employee committees. Committees with elected staff can represent workers' views to management. For example, a hospital like Cleveland Clinic might have a nurse committee that discusses safety concerns with leaders, ensuring workers' voices shape policies. In conclusion, improving employee voice in a large hospital can be done through suggestion programs, town hall meetings, and employee committees. Examples from Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic show how these methods work. Hospitals that use these approaches will have more engaged staff and better workplaces. I hope this breakdown helped clarify the key concepts, gave you some solid exam-style examples, and boosted your confidence for those ABMA Level 5 exams. Remember, focus on linking theory to real-world HR scenarios, use clear structure in your answers, and always support points with examples. That's what gets the high marks. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more students just like you. Drop a comment below. Which unit are you finding toughest right now? Or what topic should I cover next? Learning and development? Organization design? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you catch every unit as we work through the full Level 5 Diploma together. Learning and development, employee engagement, organization design, performance management, and HR procedures and plans. Thanks so much for watching. Uchezi here. Keep studying smart. You've got this. See you in the next one. Bye for now.